I am here in the kitchen to give you guys a quick tour today. We just shot our family photos, so it is clean for probably the only time it will ever be clean. So I thought I'd take you guys around and show you how I decorated and how I stage everything for our family photos. So let's take a look. Welcome to my kitchen tour. I'm so excited to have you guys here today and talk to you a little bit about our home and how I styled our kitchen for our farmhouse style. We just moved from California to Arizona where we bought our very first house, and so it's been a really fun project but a lot of work to get everything kind of designed and staged the way we like. We didn't get to pick anything, however we did not have to go through the home building process. So what we did is we took a lot of our personality and infused it into the home with decor. Most of the pieces you're gonna see in the kitchen are from Hobby Lobby. They have a great farmhouse section. If you get there on the right week, it's usually 50% off. So let's take a look around and I'll show you what I did. Everything in our kitchen is light and bright and airy. So what I did in most of my decor is I looked for pieces that complemented that. So we grounded most of the decor with metals and black, but we also kept everything nice and bright with whites and golds and grays and pinks and a little bit of teal. Our favorite part of the decor is actually what you see at the top of the cabinets. Most of the focal pieces up there are my very favorites, and I just love how Hobby Lobby made it easy to get everything in the same style, same finishes, same colors. It made it really cohesive and simple to put together. So if you feel like you're a little challenged when it comes to deciding on decor and shopping and styling, find a store that has a collection with a lot of pieces that are all cohesive. It takes the guesswork out of it, makes it so much easier for you. Now, this section over here with the cookie jar is also one of my favorites. I love this photo of our kids. It's from 2 years ago when we took our very first trip to Hawaii with them. It's a really fun memory, and the colors in the photo really complement the rest of the kitchen. Fresh flowers are a really easy way to add color and life into your home. I love to go to Trader Joe's for flowers. They have really great deals. I actually was at Walmart and found these ones there. Having items in your kitchen that are beautiful and provide a sense of interest into your home are really great, but it's even better when you can find something that also is functional. And that is what I found in this really darling cookbook holder that is also from Hobby Lobby.